To use Audio Magic Eraser in Pixel 8, start in the Play Store, and the Google Photos app must be on the latest version, and you must have an active internet connection. Now we're going to select the video that we want to use the Audio Magic Eraser on, and we're going to tap on the video and then select Edit. In this one, we're going to tap on Audio, and we see Audio Eraser. So when we tap on this, we tap OK, it's going to identify all the sounds, and we can tap Auto to automatically remove the junk, or if you have multiple sounds in the video, you can tap on each individual sound, and then you can lower that audio, or you can have it at normal. Once you're happy, tap Save Copy, and so it's going to save a new video with the Audio Magic Eraser effects.